चित्रा सखी ग्लोरिफिकेशन वर्स कश्मीर कांति कमनीय कलेवरभम सुस्निग्ध कच निचय प्रभ चरुचेलम श्री राधिके तव मनोरथ वस्त्रदने चित्रम विचित्र हृदयम सदयम प्रपद्ये. चित्र विचित्र, चित्रा सखी में चित्र विचित्र. They do multi-functional activities. Chitra Sakhi.
10 things at a time.
Whose body glows with the attractive effulgence of saffron, whose lovely cloth is glossy like a host of radiant crystals. O Shri Radhike, who offers you clothes exactly according to your own desires, whose heart is full of wonderfully variegated moods, overflowing with compassion, I bow to Chitra. Shri Chitra Sakhi ki
Jai.
So now let's see how many days. Let me check how many days Chitra Sakhi is younger to Radharani. I said Chitra Sakhi is the youngest.
26 days.
हाँ,
26 days younger.
26 days younger to. इसको बार बार सुनना चाहिए, बार बार सुनना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा अगर सखी लीडर है, then we should know about our Chitra Sakhi specially. Chitra Sakhi has a beautiful saffron complexion. Complexion कैसा है उनका? saffron color का. And she wears a crystal colored dress. Okay, she is so beautiful. She always has a bright smile on her face. This is her.
Crystal color means जो सफेद होगा ना, सफेद
crystal color होता है और उसको pinkish ये है. देखो, father is चतुरा, mother is चर्चिका. चतुरा है चर्चिका. चित्रा सखी के पिताजी का नाम क्या है?
चतुरा. और माता का नाम है
चर्चिका. उनके गांव का नाम क्या है? चिकसौली. गौर लीला में, इन गौर लीला चित्रा सखी कम्स इन एज गोविंदानंद.
गोविंदानंद घोष.
गोविंदानंद घोष. ठीक है, आइडेंटिटी इन गौर लीला. एंड देन चित्रा सखी कुंज इन राधा कुंड इज नोन एज
चित्रानंद कुंज.
चित्रानंददा.
चित्रानंददा
कुंज. You see how connection is given. In Gaur Leela also, he comes as Govindananda, and then in the Kunja, in Radha Kund is Chitrananda Kunja. Okay. Husband is
Chitrananda Kunja.
Husband मतलब बारसाना में नहीं, in Yavat. They marry, they get married in Jawat. They take birth here with Radharani in Barsana area, that is Chiksoli. Chiksoli, they take birth and they get married. It's according to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. In Yavat, they get married. So there they have a husband. Just like Radharani has Abhimanyu as husband. So similarly, because they go to same place where Radharani is there.
All Sakhis, they go to Yavat.
Pithra. And the chief maid servant, who is the Manjari of Chitra Sakhi, I told you.
Under Chitra Sakhi.
Rasamanjari. And who is the, in Gaur Leela, who is Rasamanjari? Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. Chitra Sakhi is the leader of the gopis who makes various kinds of drinks. You see, Chitra Sakhi generally they will like juices. This is the prominent quality of.
आज आपने वो बनाया था ना, कौन सा जूस बनाया था आपने? बेल का जूस.
They make various kinds of drinks. Collect herbs and medicinal creepers from the forest. आयुर्वेद योग है, कला है. ये देखो, इसमें लिखा है हर्ब्स और मेडिसिनल क्रीपर. जो मेडिसिन का आप बात करते रहते हैं ना, इसीलिए चित्रा सखी का ग्रुप में है. ये उनका लीडर जो है ना चित्रा सखी, वो देखती है. उनका काम एक ही होता है, हर्ब्स कलेक्ट करना. हर्ब्स मतलब मेडिसिनल जो हर्ब्स होते हैं ना. सो नाउ कला स्किल्स ऑफ चित्रा सखी. 8 कलास आर देयर. ओके. स्पेशल फर्स्ट थिंग इज आर्टिस्ट, एक्सपर्ट आर्टिस्ट. चित्रा सखी's groups, whoever like Jadurani Mataji.
She is Chitra
Sakhi. They are expert artists. Whoever is artist, they will be under Chitra Sakhi group.
Jadurani कौन? Prabhupada
disciple. Second, preparing different kinds of drinks. जितने भी juices हैं ना, drinks, so they make different kinds of juices. Third, learned in astrology and astronomy. Astronomy is what? About stars. So astrology and astronomy, their astrology is what? Based on the sun, moon. stars, the what is your birth chart is made. That is astrology.
And astronomy?
Astronomy is about study about the stars, sun, moon. It's all. Especially our Bhakti Siddhant Maharaj, Surya Siddhant he wrote. That is about astronomy. Should know the difference. Caring for creepers, vines and trees with flowers, without flowers. This is one of the kala of Chitrasakhi. Playing music on crystal vessels. There is something called Jal Taranga. It's very famous Jal Tarang. So this music comes from Chitrasakhi. Whatever now you see, the origin is Chitrasakhi. Okay? It's coming from there. Scholar of many different languages. Especially Chitrasakhi group, they can speak many languages. I myself know 6 languages. So different like that. So a little bit. Not perfectly, but I know. Bengali I know. English, Hindi, Marathi, Konkani, Kannada
and
Marathi, like that. So like that it will be there. Okay. Then making crystal utensils. This is one of the kala. Cooking is also kala. I told you, no? Gardening also they do gardening is very, he does so much gardening. So Chitrasakhi.
Special.
The secret ways of speaking. They know secret ways of speaking. Chitrasakhi group. Because this is all skills are used in the Leela. The whole idea is to give pleasure to Radha and Krishna. There are different Leelas happening. So these talents are used. These special talents are used in the service of Radha and Krishna. Okay? Then making ornaments. This is also one of the skills. Collecting herbs and medicinal creepers from the forest. ये सब कला किसमें आता है? चित्रासखी के इसमें आता है. So there are many things. तो अभी लेट नहीं करेंगे. Many things are there.
राधे 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 राधे